Voices carry through the air, saying what we wouldn't dare. Hidden feelings breaking free, shaking old authority, calling hearts to stand again. Question where the world has been. Hear the call, the rising sound, shifting all the solid ground. Change begins with one clear voice, speaking truth and making choice, making choice. Every headline, every line pushes past the old design, reaching those who feel the strain of silent dreams and quiet pain. Let the message ring sincere, not from anger, not from fear. Change is strongest when it's true, when it grows from what we